To enable and use Talk to Bixby without wake up feature on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find advanced features. Tap advanced features. Tap Bixby. Next, under advanced feature section, tap Talk to Bixby without wake up. And then tap the on off switch until the switch turns blue to turn it on. When this option is on, when your phone alarm or timer rings, you can say relevant comments to Bixby without you have to say the voice wake up first. As the example, when your timer rings, you can dismiss the timer by saying dismiss timer. Dismiss timer. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.